Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video, I want to show you how to assign an administrator role to a user using your Azure Active Directory Admin Center or your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So let's say you have a specific user who works for the IT help desk or a user who you want to assign a specific role in your Office 365 environment. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your users account. So we have the different options. So probably maybe the user is being synced from your on-premises domain Active Directory to your Azure Active Directory. So you have the options to actually, you can see I have some users which are being synced right now. So we can decide to say, okay, we want to assign Simon Johnson, which is not being synced from our on-premise environment, a specific role. So what we need to do is we just click on that account, and here we have, you can see we have assigned roles. Right now, he doesn't have any roles assigned to him. So we can decide to say add assignment, and here we can see we have some roles we can assign to this user. So I want to also actually assign from this Azure Active Directory, I'm going to assign Simon the help desk administrator, and also I can also give allow him to be let's say the network administrator as well. So I click add. You can see he has two roles right now. So to assign the user a role in the Office, your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, what you need to do is just to click on Simon Johnson account, and here we have the options. You can see we have the roles. So when I created the role in your my Azure Active Directory, you can see the roles also are populated here in Microsoft 365 because the syncing goes hands in hands. So what I need to do is I will need to click on Manage Roles. Here we can see that right now he has the roles of admin, help desk admin, and network admin. So I can decide to say, okay, I want him to become the Teams admin as well and the SharePoint administrator. So we can also click on show up by category. You can see we have some other roles we can assign him. So I'll say under devices, I can allow him to be the printer admin, and also under identity, I can allow Simon to be a password admin as well to reset users' password. So you can click here to see some what the roles actually is actually all about, like reset passwords for all non-admin users and some admin users. So we can see we have the read only. I can give him the global reader, and under security and compliance, I can say, okay, Simon is going to be the compliance administrator. So I just click save changes, and we can see that now he now has some roles which he can perform in Office 365 or Azure Active Directory environment. My name is Kelvin Johnson. This is how easy it is to assign a specific admin role to a user in your Azure Active Directory or your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. But mind you, if you are assigning this role, it is possible that it is being assigned to a user which is being synced from your on-premises Active Directory. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video, and also like my video, and also you can as well leave a comment and send me a personal email if you wish, and I will reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much, and see you next